Hi and welcome to part number 12 of building a SaaS using Django and Vue.js. Today I'm going to build a visit counter and show how many times I click this button. I'm going to use this data to order the links based on the popularity. First I'm going to go inside the Visual Studio Code and I need to make a change to the database model for the bookmark. So here I need to add one more visits models.integer field default equals 0, and then I need to go to the command line to update the database. Python manage.py make migrations and Python manage.py migrate. So I added field visits to the bookmark. So then I can start the server again. And then I need to make an entry point in the API to allow us to increment this using Axios, CSRF exempt, def API increase visits, request, bookmark ID, bookmark. I can get it using this bookmark.visits equals bookmark.visits plus 1 bookmark.save, and I'm going to return the success. And that's the entry point. And now I need to add this to the URLs. Can do that below here, just need to import it first. Path API increase visits int bookmark ID, pass in the view and then the name of the view and save. And that's everything we need for the backend for right now. So I can go to category.html, and then I need to do something here because you can't just open the URL like this. Then I need to add a click function here, at click increase visits like this, and then I need to create that method. Can do it on the bottom here. And I can just copy all of this and make some changes. Increase visits, bookmark ID. Then I remove this and save. And then we can test this. So I just go here. I just like to open up the console so I see any errors if there are any. So I click visit. An internal error because I didn't pass in the correct ID. This.bookmark ID. Yeah, of course, I need to pass it in here instead. Bookmark.id like this. And replace this. Just do this. And paste it there. So then we can try again. Visit. No, it seems to be okay. Perfect. Maybe I want to show number of visits below here. Then I need to go to the views.py and I need to include visits here. Visits. Bookmark.visits. Save. So then I get that in the data. Go back here. And below the description we can say bold visits. Bookmark.visits. And save. So if I refresh, I should see 1 and 0. Perfect. But if I click this now and close it, it didn't increment automatically, so I need to fix that. So if I go down here, I just want to loop through all the bookmarks for let e equals 0. I is lower than this dot bookmark length I plus plus. If this dot bookmarks dot id equals bookmark id, then I want to increment visits plus 1, and that should be it, I think. Can test it, refresh. Okay, no, because it's a string, so I need to say parse int. I need to convert it to integer here. Refresh. If I now click, I think it should work. Yes, visits 3. Perfect. Then I need to change the way these are pulled from the database. I can do it in the models. Not there. Class meta ordering equals visits, comma, always need extra comma when you use a tuple like this, and save. Then I can go to the views because I have an ordering here, remove that and save. So if I refresh now, it's wrong because I need to use minus visits. So now the most popular link will always be to the left. Just want to change the color of this nav bar because it's not so easy to see when it's white like this. Just go to base.html and here we can say is dark. So that's a little bit better. Maybe we can make the logo or schnell to be bold too. Like that. And that was it for this part. If you liked this video, please click like below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you did. See you next time.